Good morning here from Laughlin, Nevada. I am on the veranda, so to speak. We're in a pull-through spot and we're actually parked on the pad because that's how they want you to do it here. And I'm sitting next to the RV where we have to be totally within the long space. So we can't spread out like we've been used to, but that's okay. And I've actually got the laundry in down at the laundry room, just a few doors down. So I'm killing time with coffee on the veranda, so to speak. So what is life in Laughlin, Nevada? It's actually very warm here. It's going up into the 90s today, and that's why I'm doing laundry at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Here's what I use to get over to the laundry room. Yeah, it's close enough that I'm actually able to walk over there using my wheelie cart. And that wheelie cart has come in super handy because I load it up with the laundry and wheel it over to the laundry room and put it in, and it's perfect. And then I take it out, put it in little bags to put it back into the drawers and wheel it back over. Life is good. So I figure you'd rather see the lovely scenery than my face at 7 o'clock in the morning. We do have lovely scenery here. We are up on the top of the hill in this RV park. There's several layers of RVs going up the hill. We are at the very top, and yes, you do see oleanders in the back there. They have not been bothering Burl. We're not next to the oleanders, so that is good. And he just got fitted for contact lenses yesterday, and it looks like the material is really super non-allergenic, so we'll see how that works out for him. So you'll be seeing him with contact lenses on in our videos really soon. Now here from our RV site, you can actually see one of the other laundry rooms. That's not the laundry room I'm actually using, but as you can see, that's pretty close to our site. The laundry room that I am using is only a couple doors down, but it's on the other side of the site, and it's not really where this chair is set up that I'm doing the video shooting from. But they're very similar, and there's laundry rooms like this spread throughout the park. So what do we have in store today after we finish the laundry at 7 a.m.? Well, I'm not really sure. We don't have anything scheduled for today. It is going up into the 90s, so it's going to be fairly hot, and we'll see what's going on. Maybe it'll be fun times down by the river. The Colorado River is right near where we are staying. So it's still pretty early in the morning. My laundry is finished. I had coffee on the veranda. I'm still working on that 1 cup of coffee because it was still pretty hot, and it's pretty hot outside. Thanks for watching this morning, and have some coffee on your veranda, wherever your veranda may be.